Good morning, Friday morning, last job of the week for me. So some of you may recognise this job as I've done a video on this one before. But this is a sandstone patio. Comes up lovely. The sun's bright this morning. We've got a lot of problems with the water on this job because of a particularly wet winter. Everything is absolutely waterlogged. Look. So all the grass, there's no real runoff as such, but we'll see how it builds up. The customer on this job has asked me to get rid of much of the pointing as possible, as they're having some repairs done. And we've got a builder to come in to repoint all the areas. Oh, I fell over. Shit. Okay, back on my feet. Back on my feet. Didn't see the step. Okay. Got a bit of a water problem on this job. The reason being is I forgot one of my connectors, so I can't connect to that, which in turn means I can't use the internal booster pump. So we've got it all just going straight in from the tap on this 12mm hose. So the tank's going to take a bit longer to fill. So that's a 350 litre tank, and I've also got a 100 litre tank around here. So we'll wait till that fills up as well. I've got that connected to the main tank. And that's the booster pump we normally use, but not today. Okay, let's get a camera up and let's get going. As you can see, I'm staying dry today, so I'd just like to say thanks for watching my channel, and I'm glad you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and click the bell. Cheers!